Hi teacher, this is our challenge night. My partners are Alejandra, Ismael, Abdiel, and me. And now my friend Abdiel is going to explain the code.
Okay, so here's our code. First, we define some of our variables that are the triggers that we are going to use in our circuit. Then we have the duración and the distancia, which are the things that we are going to measure with the ultrasonic sensor and the M35. Then we have the volts and the temperature that it's going to be measured by our M35. And here we include our liquid crystal display, that is the screen that we are going to use to display all the numbers that we are going to calculate and measure with our circuit. We have here other pins that we are going to input and output to use it. We have a small delay in microseconds to our circuit to function properly. We have here the duración, distancia, and the volts. That this is so it can be displayed on our liquid crystal display. We have here the LCD print that it's going to be the one that is going to be showed on our liquid crystal display. We have digital guides to start up everything. A pair of small delays to every part of our circuit. The print for temperature error in case it goes too high and our circuit can be in danger. The distance, and here we have the space, so the actual distance that is going to be measured, it's going to be shown. And you can see it here where we have the distance. Okay, here we have the distance again, but now it's in centimeters, so when the number... Okay, and here finally it's the temperature that is going to be measured by our M35, and we have the C, which means Celsius, that it is the way that we are going to measure. And here's where our code ends.
Hi, we're gonna check our circuit. We have here our ultrasonic sensor that measures the distance between an object and itself, and it's gonna show us the distance here in the display. We have here the M35. It measures the temperature in the environment, and it's gonna show us the temperature of the environment here in the display. And we have here a big resistance that can turn on the letters on the display or turn off. Okay, we have here a lot of cables because all this stuff is connected with the ground of the Arduino. And all these LEDs will turn on and turn off if...
Okay, so now we are going to show how our circuit works. We have here our classmate Alejandra, and she's going to help us do this. So I'm going to turn on the liquid crystal display, and you can see here the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and Alejandra, which is here, and the temperature of the classroom right now, which is 23 Celsius degrees. Now Alejandra, please come closer to the sensor. Okay, so you can see how in real time it is uploading and it is changing. Now go a little far away again. Yes, and you can see again how the distance here changes. And the temperature will change if we were in a different environment, or we change the temperature of the climate that we have here. And that's how our circuit works. Okay, so now we are going to test the same, but with our good friend Lino here. And Lino, if you could go a little far away from the ultrasonic sensor, we can see how it uploads. You can see how the distance increased. Now go a little closer. Okay. So now you can see again how the distance changed, but now it's a smaller number. And again, the temperature it's about the same. It's 24 degrees here, Celsius. So that's how the temperature in our room is, and how the distance between Lino right now and the ultrasonic sensors is. And that's how we finish the operation of our circuit.